Good morning, little chef. Welcome to day 27 of working as a chef on a yacht. Oh, I got another W! The second this morning. That's insane. This morning, I'm making a frittata with spinach and feta. Frittatas are the #1 most requested breakfast food on this yacht. To go along with this frittata, I'm frying up some bacon, cutting up grapefruit, serving grapes, and my famous zucchini muffins. I set the table for breakfast and served this meal family style. I called the guests to the table and I went back into the galley to work on crew breakfast. Brian requested 3 eggs scrambled with cheese, and the rest of the crew just wanted protein shakes. There were a couple of days where I served 24 people this week, and the other days I served 9 people. With those kind of numbers, you run out of food pretty quickly. So today I'm heading into the island to provision. But before I left, I made some sandwiches for the guests that are having a beach day today. Fanny pack crew is going to town. You're not going, bud. Gas, liquor, and provisions. Bye, Cat. Bye, Thurston. We'll miss ya. We use this little dinghy quite a bit. We use it to shuttle guests back and forth from the yacht to the island, for the yacht dog to go to the island to use the restroom, and just stuff like this. Today, we have to pick up gas, liquor, and food. We called up BJ, who was our taxi driver last year, and he came to pick us up. The cab ride is about 15 minutes to the nearest grocery store, and it's about the size of a 7-Eleven gas station. Eggs, we can get, well, we're shopping in Georgetown, yeah? I think we should start using the egg beaters for us. So we can just get that out of the way. I'm looking for those meatballs that Mark loves. Mark doesn't? We finished up with the food shopping. Now we're headed to the liquor store. Hands off.
I think I'm gonna put that on the window. Right there. Hands off.
No touching.
Don't touch. Automatic.
The liquor store was attached to a gas station, so while we got the liquor, BJ filled up the gas for us. We were on our last bottle of red wine, so we came to replenish that. And we threw in a bottle of tequila, just for good measure. We packed up our box and headed back into the cab. $2.11 for all the alcohol.
Put it over there. Put it over there. Yeah, go right ahead. Pull it over. Pull it over. There you go.
On the way back, BJ said we should stop at this little gift shop, which was perfect because Brian needed a new hat. He's in the sun all day long cleaning the boat, so he gets a bit sunburned. We got everything we need. Let's head back to the yacht.
Why you want to see your boy swimming in there? No. You make me. Rod, you had his mind. You tell me you want to see me swimming in the pool.
Luna, fanny pack crew. I remember we had to get pretty close to be able to have a signal. Luna, fanny pack crew. Luna, fanny pack crew. Oh, you're on 16. So that's not a long. That's the one, that's like the emergency one? Yeah. I just hit the key and it's changing from low to mid. Luna, fanny pack crew. We're coming in hot.
And I told him he's an island guy, man. It's not much guys you see them walking around with no shoes on, you know. He's coming on.
Here he comes.
Have to come up here and get them.
Yeah. He's hauling butt to get to us fast.
Yeah.
He's trying to make up for napping.
Yeah. He don't want you to feel like you were sleeping on the job.
The first mate came to pick us up on the dinghy, we got everything loaded on, and headed back to the yacht to get this food under refrigeration. If you're enjoying this channel, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to show your support. And if you're interested in doing live cooking classes with me, check the description below. Once a month classes are only $2.99. You can also find recipes and previous recordings of all the classes. Once I put away all of the provisions, I got started on crew lunch. We had a ton of leftovers, so that's what we're eating. I had leftover Asian turkey that I put into a wrap, reheated some chicken noodle soup, and put out all of the leftovers from the barbecue. After lunch, I prepared a glass of milky milk that the captain drinks every night and made dessert for the crew. I'll take these down to crew quarters and put them in the fridge. Then headed back up to the galley to start dinner prep. Tonight, I'm making beef bourguignon. I'll dust my stew meat with flour and salt and give it a good hard sear. Chop up my mirepoix of celery, carrots, and onion. I'll add in beef stock and red wine and let that braise low and slow for 8 hours. Tonight for dinner service, I'm doing a 3-course meal. The first course that I'm serving is a house-made Caesar salad, and topping the salad with cornbread croutons that I made from the cornbread from the barbecue. The guests were at the bow of the boat enjoying cocktail hour while I was plating up the Caesar salads, and Gina was on the upper deck making this beautiful table. The theme of the night was silver and gold, and she nailed it. I brought the salads up to the table and called the guests up to dinner. Look at Thurston in the background. Iconic. This is gonna be like my intro on YouTube. I don't know why tonight it seems like extra classy, but it is.
We should all stand behind the table for a picture and match the uniform table.
You're right. Before I headed back into the galley, I had to enjoy this beautiful sunset. Some of the guests requested rice with their beef stew, and others just wanted the potatoes. I plated up the dishes, garnished with parsley, and brought the food up to the upper deck. While the guests are working on their main dish, I'm in the galley working on plating up their desserts. Tonight, I'm serving brownies with chocolate peanut butter ice cream made in the Ninja Creamy. There's a link to the Ninja Creamy in my description. As the guests are enjoying their desserts, I'm working on cleaning the galley, and the stew is doing turn-down service, which is essentially unmaking the bed. That way, guests don't have to take off their own throw pillows. Turn-down service for Thurston. Alright, so we have chocolates on the bed. Very nice. And Thurston's bed is over here. What did he get? A little creamy. That's hilarious. Gina, you're too good.